Hi guys, we are back with another video. In this video we are making Haitian meatballs. Very quick, very simple, very easy. Pour abonner mieux qui parle créole là, m'a upload yon pour nous même vidéo mais en créole. Restez branché pour version créole là, m'a posté bientôt. Merci. Okay, let's get started. This is what you will need: ground beef, potato, Haitian spice, blended spice, paprika, garlic powder, salt, lemon juice, flour. We're gonna start by boiling our potato in some water and salt. While we're waiting for the potato to boil, we're gonna move to the next step. Okay, so we are going to prepare the ground beef. We're gonna add lime juice, blended Haitian spice, garlic powder, paprika. We are going to mix it all together. Now we're gonna mash the potato and then add it to the ground beef. Okay, so now everything is done, mixed together, mix it very well. We're gonna make our little ball and then we're gonna put it in some flour and then fry it. I'm gonna do one more. We are going to fry them medium to high heat. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't done so. Hit the bell notification to be notified when I post more videos. See you in the next video. Bye.